friends, welcome to Coding Garden with CJ. There are a lot of other places you could be on the internet, and I thank you for stopping by here. So, if you visit coding.garden, you can see a rundown of my channel and links to many different things. But on my channel, I typically do live streams 2 to 3 times a week. And if you visit my channel, you can see some of the playlists I've created, some of my past live streams. You can see some collaborations that I've done. If you click on the videos page, you can see all the past live streams. If you click on the playlist page, you can see some of the more curated content. So every Wednesday, I usually do a stream called Code Katas. And on this stream, I solve code wars, code katas, which are like algorithms problems. I've been doing this stream for a long time. This Wednesday will be episode 34. And so tune in live. You can suggest problems for me to solve. You can provide solutions to problems that I'm solving, and we can talk about your solutions. So that's always fun. So check that out. If you go to coding.garden/videos, so that's coding.garden/videos, this is a simple site that I built where you can search across all of my videos, because I've been creating videos for a long time. So if you click like view, you can see all of the live streams that had view in them. If you click react, you can see all the live streams that had react. This is one of my more popular streams, the front-end framework showdown. In this video, I built the exact same application with vanilla, React, Angular, and Vue, just so we could compare all the parts and pieces. And I typically do stuff like that. I'm mostly focused on JavaScript. If you go to github.com/codinggarden, all of the code I write for every single video is here. There are only over 74 repositories of examples that I've done, full stack applications, all sorts of different things. And you're welcome to fork these repos, contribute, use the code, etc. I'm also live streaming on Twitch. So if you go to twitch.tv/codinggarden, right now I'm live streaming on both YouTube and Twitch simultaneously. But eventually I think I'll switch over to Twitch. So be sure to follow me there. And if you go on Twitter, so twitter.com/coding_garden, every time I go live, I will tweet. And actually, I forgot to tweet this morning, but usually I'll tweet when I go live, so that way you can tune in. That's about it. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you in the next live stream.